This is a modern food delivery UI built with Jetpack Compose. And the first thing I wanted to get right was the visual flow. The home screen uses bold food photography, quick category filters, and a clean red and yellow palette. From there, you can open a product, change the quantity, add it to the cart, and move through checkout. The tracking screen is the most distinctive part, so we'll use that for the quick coding section. Before the tutorial, here's the project in Android Studio. The screens are built natively in Compose, and the shared view model keeps things like search, category selection, and the cart in stateflow. So when a quantity changes or an item is added, the UI is reacting to state instead of using a static mockup. AI helped with implementation, but the focus here is still the UI and the code. Visually, the app keeps the system simple. Large food images, rounded cards, red for primary actions, and warm yellow for active highlights. That gives each screen a clear hierarchy without adding too much decoration. Now for the useful part. On the tracking screen, the map is interactive, not just a background image. Inside Track Order screen, AndroidView acts as the bridge between Compose and OSMDroid's MapView. The factory creates the map, sets the center and zoom, and then we add the delivery route as a polyline. The rider and destination are separate map markers. The route points and order status are local demo data in this project, so this is not a live tracking backend. Map gestures stay inside MapView, while Compose handles the surrounding status UI. Back on the emulator, that gives us a real panable map. The red delivery route, both markers, the ETA, and the preparing state in one Compose screen. And here's the finished flow together. Discovery on home, the large product detail layout, cart and checkout states, and finally the delivery tracking screen. The UI stays consistent, but each step has a different visual job. Members can get the complete Android Studio source, the assets, and the editable design files. The prompts and project documentation are included as bonuses. Which screen is your favorite? Home, product detail, or tracking?